walking. Good morning, how are you doing everyone? So today is Sunday, it's Sunday morning. Just walking here, doing morning walk. Dito ako sa may Mekong River. And this is the Mekong River. And side niyan is Thailand na. Ayan. Oops. So ayun, nag-walk lang. This is usually ang ruta ko. I always go for walking doon sa may Dalawang Lake, but now I decided to try a new walking area, which is dito sa may Mekong River. And it's good na walang masyadong maraming tao. Look nung building, very rustic yung building. It's an old building. So ayun, walang masyadong actually walang nagja-jog. Bihira ang nagja-jog. Konti lang pala ang nagja-jog. Ano ba talaga? Wala, meron, konti. So ayun, konti lang yung nagja-jog kasi nga it's a highway, small alley. Parang ang cute naman ito. Wow, distracted na ako agad. Ang cute nito. Blue bar. This is blue bar. This is green bar. 6. So baka mamaya marami ng magja-jog. Ito yung itsura ng mga restaurant sa umaga. Actually maganda dito siguro sa gabi. Siguro kasi hindi pa ako nakapag chill. So soon, pag may mga time tayo. Grabe, ang dami kong gusto sa buhay. So ayun, gusto ko lang maglakad-lakad kasi the past days sobrang na-stress ako dun sa trabaho ko kasi nga syempre sa isang trabaho, 'di ba, marami kayong mga empleyado. So maraming mga ideas, maraming mga lahat ng tao is may mga ideas, may sinasabi, may gustong gawin. So minsan hindi kayo nagmi-meet dun sa kung ano yung dapat i-meet. Kumbaga yung mga iba is hindi talaga mawawala sa isang trabaho na may mga unprofessional ganon. So ayun, transport entry fee and English speaking assist. I think we can try to next time. It's a boat weekend, $80. Not bad. So ayun nga. So nung nakaraan nga na araw is na-stress ako kasi doon sa trabaho. Of course, doon sa trabaho is hindi mo talaga maiiwasan na may mga iba't iba kayong idea. So imagine sa isang kumpanya o sa trabaho is ang dami nyong mga empleyado. So may mga kanya-kanya kayong sinasabi, may kanya-kanyang gusto, ganyan. At minsan may mga hindi naman nakikipag-cooperate ng maayos, or minsan unprofessional ba. Ayan, so yun yung mga frustration ko recently sa trabaho ba. Ayun, so napo-frustrate lang kasi instead na makapagtrabaho ng maayos, yung mga iba is unprofessional, hindi alam kung ano yung professional na salita. So yun, nadidiskaril yung mga plano sa buhay. Naiihi ako. So may nakita kong toilet. Mag restroom muna tayo. Nina walang masyadong nagja-jog, pero ito yung mga joggers of Vientiane. But yung mga grupo nila is mga oldish. Friend, I found a friend. Wow, it's so cute. You say hi. It's so cute. Uy. Pag-gala-gala lang siya dito. Cute niya, oh. Cute, no? Pag-alagala lang siya. Going to Mekong Escape, the icon of Vientiane. So, pababa. Wow. And punta tayo doon. Alright, see you there. The Carabao. It's so nice. Oh, the buffalo. It's so nice na may nakikita kang ganito dito sa may Mekong River. Look at that. That is the buffalo. Hello. Wow. See, very talahiban. Very very outdoor ang vibe. Very outdoor. Ayun. Para ka lang naglalakad doon sa may kabukiran because of this mga talahiban. And since umuulan-ulan kagabi and the past days, yung daanan is medyo muddy. Yan. Very talaga. Very scape ang feel. So we are here now sa Mekong Escape, but I think this is closed. Yeah. Oh, it's closed. Okay. Also, we are walking dito sa may talahiban. Grabe. Very talaga. Very outdoor experience. And I like the smell kasi yung smell nung grass is parang nakaka-relax siya. Hopefully walang ahas, no? Hopefully walang snake here. But still, it's a good adventure kasi very siya, very, what do you call this? Very outdoor feel. And yung smell nung grass, ang sarap niyang amuyin. But this one is very lubak. After walking of an hour, nag-stop muna ako dito. So we will have a coffee here dito sa coffee shop dito lang along the Mekong River. This is the coffee shop. Very nice. It's like a makeshift cafe along Mekong River. So let's go and order. Nice. This is the coffee shop. Can you have cappuccino? Hot. Yes, hot, and then chocolate croissant.
Chocolate croissant
Okay. So nice. Very. It's a makeshift coffee, and oh, that's the croissant. This is the croissant. It's like Vietnam vibe. Very nice. It's very simple, very nice. And imagine the view. We are in Mekong River. This is the Mekong River. So nice, guys. So yun, dito sa likod ko is the coffee shop, a makeshift coffee shop. Very chill ang vibes. Let's wait for our coffee. Got my order now. This is the coffee, hot cappuccino, and this is the croissant. Wow. Having coffee with this beautiful view, it's a great morning and very thankful. So here, very thankful with this hot cappuccino and croissant. It's a wonderful morning. A nice coffee. Sip coffee. Now let's try this. Really good. And let's try this. So how can we eat this? Maybe we can just hold it, because they don't have cutlery, so we just hold like this. Mm.
ตัวนี้กระเจียวนี่ดิน้อยคนละตามบอกบอกว่า
Wow.
เนี่ยมาประจำแล้ว
This is a nice
นี่แล้วก็ไปตัว
and great to end of the walking session today. And it's a grateful to start the day with this nice view, nice coffee and croissant.
มันหลายคันหลาย
Thank you.
อยู่นะกองอยู่อย่างนี้เรา
Nice. Let me enjoy my coffee and see you on my next video. Keep safe, everyone.